Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick the steps into creating a new package in NetBeans with files that you have. So I have some files here from Google Drive. I'm going to right click on them and I'm going to download them. I'll pause until it's all finished. Okay, when it's ready to download, you'll get this message. It says leave site. Go ahead and click on that. You got the download folder that shows up at the bottom of the browser. You're going to click on the arrow, show in folder, and then right click on that compressed folder. Show the extracted files when you're completed, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I have some files I want to add to NetBeans. Alright, so in NetBeans, I'm going to go ahead and I have my project, and I've already created a couple of packages here. So first thing I'm going to do is transfer these files to the default package. So you just drop them on source. Alright, and then you click on source packages, create a new Java package. I'm going to call this one graphics unit 4. Alright, now you go to your default package and you're going to select all of the files, refactor, and you're going to move them to that new package. Okay. When you do this, it takes care of adding one line of code on the top that kind of saves you a little time defining what package these files belong to. Alright, so the next step is I'm kind of going to go over how to upload your files to your already set up Git repository. So you're going to right click on your project, and you'll notice that these files are green and these files are not. So there's the files in Unit 4 are green, they've been added but not committed. Alright, so right click on your project, you're going to go to Get and commit these changes, and I'll just say added Unit 4 files and click commit. Okay, next thing is once you commit, you want to push it to your remote GitHub copy for this, and then you want to make sure that you have the correct project if you have multiple ones. So here's my Java project. Next. Alright, and then you can go to your project on GitHub. Go to my list of repositories here, and Java graphics. Go to source, and now I have all 4 units that I've uploaded. Okay, so that's kind of the process in updating your stuff from GitHub. Alright, so when you're at home, let me go over okay, so for when you're at home, let me go over how to do this. I had to re-say that because I think I paused the video. So what I'm going to do is I already have on my screen here, I have in my repository, I have some other things I can test. So I think this one is a new demo that I posted, I made with NetBeans. So I'm going to try to go here, and this is what you would do it from home. You log on to GitHub, go to your project that you want to clone from home. You're going to click clone and download, copy that URL, and so this is your NetBeans from home, and you want to add this project so that you can work on it. You're going to go to team on top and remote, choose clone, and you're going to change the URL to what you just copied. Alright, so this is your repository location, and then where you're going to place this clone. It's going to go inside of your NetBeans project folder. Click next. That's fine. Alright, and what should happen is your project should open up. I think, let me see. Or it should be added at least to your NetBeans projects here. So now you have a NetBeans project that's listed there. And now let me see if I can open the project under File. There it is. So now I can make changes from the project that I just copied from the repository. So that's kind of how it works. Then when you're at home, you make changes here. You'll then add and commit those changes, and then you'll push the changes, and when you get back to school to get the changes, you will just right click and go to Get, and remote and pull from the remote. All right, so that's kind of the process.